Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm about to show you how you can gain up to 1k likes or more than that on your post on Facebook. And I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also drop your comments below and like this video if it was helpful. So I hope you stay tuned, and let me begin. First we go to we go to Chrome, and then we type in like for like.org. Like for like.org. So this is how the site looks like. I'm already logged in into it, and if you haven't logged in, all you have to do is just register, and I'll show you how you can start gaining likes on Facebook from this site. So here you can see I have 43 coins, and with that coins I can be able to gain likes on Facebook. So I'm gonna show you how. First, so how to create coins is credit. You click on Facebook likes. Anyway you want to earn, you want to earn from if you want to earn from Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, SoundCloud, Pinterest, you can. But this is the way I earned my 43 coins, through Facebook likes. So once you like a Facebook page or a Facebook post, your coins multiplies, or your coin, it adds to your coins. So the value of this post is 6 coins. So once I like this post, 6 coins will be added to my balance. So this is how it ends. So I'm just gonna go direct to the point and show you how you can buy likes with your coins. So you click on this here, then you go over to add and manage task. So once you're there, you choose Facebook likes. Now you have to add the post you want to get likes on. You have to add the URL here, and so that you can be able to gain likes through the URL. So I just go to my Facebook and copy the URL I want to get the post. I want to get likes on. Okay, so I posted this, and now we go. I don't have any likes, so all I have to do is copy link copied, and then go back. So I'll paste it here. Now you choose how many coins you want them to earn when they like your post. So I'm just gonna choose 7 and URL. So now my URL has been added, and in just few seconds or minutes I'll be able to gain likes. So it might take a little time, but we have to wait. But sometimes it goes so fast. So I'm gonna go to my profile now to check if I gained any likes. So okay guys, I got 3 likes just now. Okay, so for an hour I showed you I didn't have any likes, but now I just got 3 likes under how many seconds, guys. The site works. So if this video was really helpful to you and to some of us who doesn't gain much likes on Facebook, so this is the way. And I hope you love this video, and stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and get ready for my next video and take a position, because this channel is gonna be great and it's gonna help you a lot. So I hope you get ready to be moved, to be shaken. So thanks guys for watching, and come back again, subscribe, turn the notification bell for more video updates. That's the best you can do for me. That's the best thing you can do for yourself. Thanks.